Well, well, well. Look at that. Another human. Nope, not over there. No, silly. Not down there either. Come on. You're getting warmer. Boom. Here I am. So, what brings a tiny little human like you to a place like this? And all alone, too. Were you here to play with me? I could always use some new friends around here. This place can be quite lonely at times. Or is there another reason for why you're out here? Just strolling on by? Quite a nice place to want to take a stroll, is it not? And with these sort of weapons, what kind of a swarm are you up to? Are you expecting trouble of some sorts? No? You were just hunting? But judging by your attire, inner gear, you don't always seem to strike me off as someone in desperate need of food to where you have to come all the way down here. And besides, what even is it a hut that a human can make use of? Bunnies and squirrels? Well, with all the equipment you have, it seems a bit overkill, doesn't it? Are you sure that's what you're here for? Because I've been watching you for quite some time now, and it seems to me that you have other things in mind. I see. Well, why don't you tell me why you're really here? You know, you're not a really good liar, right? Oh, don't play dumb with me, silly human. What were you planning to do with those weapons? Protection. And what exactly would you need protection from? Oh, come on. You can do better than that, can't you? Come on and tell me. If you're so scared of what lurks here, then why come in? Ah, now we're starting to get somewhere. No. Continue what you were saying. So you were sent with a camp. To do what? You were supposed to... Come on. Kill? Kill what? The beast of this place? What beast? Oh! Do you mean me? Was I the beast you were looking for? Oh, sheesh. That's really what the people refer to me as? I have a name, you know. Well, wouldn't you like to know? But why would you guys want to kill me? I haven't done anything to you guys. Oh, don't worry. I know you didn't want to tell me specifically. You're simply following orders. But, unfortunately for you, your situation led you here, and now you have to deal with me. So, why did they send you? Those just have anything to do with those merchants that disappeared here? Oh, but those are just rumors, right? How could you think I'm the one that's responsible? Nope, they were right. I ate them. Every last one of them. They were quite yummy too. And I took all their lovely little treasures as well. But still, isn't it a little unfair to just assume it was me? Like, did they have any proof of that? I mean, just because I'm a monster with a taste for human flesh doesn't necessarily mean I'm the culprit. Well, I guess it doesn't matter now. So, why is it that you were foolish enough to face me on your own? You know, I'm not that easy to kill, right? Especially not for up to any little human like yourself. Well, splitting not to travel more ground doesn't really seem like a smart idea. I mean, could you have known how dangerous this supposed beast could be? Well, I suppose I should congratulate you on being the first to find yours truly. Quite an honor, if I do say so myself. You know, it's been fun touring with you and all, but I think we both know where this is going. But hey, I'll give you a fair shot. Let's see what you're made of. Oh, not your battle stance? So cute. Now let's see what you can do. You miss me. Kiss me again. Ooh, what do you do now? Gotcha. Seriously? Isn't it really the best he could do? Come on, I expected more from a trained soldier like yourself. Oh, just relax. There's no need to be so frustrated. I'm just teasing. And there's no shame in losing to a mighty opponent like myself. Although, if the rest of you guys are as weak as you are, then I don't think I have anything to worry about. You look rather tasty. Hope you don't mind if I just... So good. Oh. It's been so long since I began to taste a human. Oh. You're just so adorable when you're all scared and helpless. You know, it'd be a real shame to have to eat someone as adorable as you. But I am rather hungry. Now, if you were all searching this place, this tread mean up the rest of your people. They're not too far off, right? Oh, come on, there's no need to lie to me at this point. I'm bound to find out sooner or later anyway. Say, how will I make a deal? Something I know you can't resist. We hope you lure your friends over here, and I'll spare your life. That way, you get to live them how an easy meal. Sounds like a nice deal, right? Will I let you go? Sorry, no can do. I can't have you return to your village and don't know about my whereabouts now, can I? And besides, I've never really met a human like you before. There's something about you that's different compared to the other humans I've seen in the past. And you're just so adorable. Not to mention, I did tell you how lonely it could be here sometimes. I could use a nice little pet to look after and maybe play with every now and then, if you know what I mean. I'll be sure to treat you well, of course. But don't get me wrong. If you don't want to help me out, then I suppose I could just swallow you whole. What do you mean you don't know? Oh, please, how much did you possibly value their lives? Surely not more than your own life, right? And did you really think they'd do the same for you? Surely they're not that foolish, are you? You don't really strike me off as one of those ignorant humans I've encountered before. Besides, I'm sure to find him anyway, so why not make it easier for the both of us? Well, of course. Those fools need to pay for invading my territory. He ain't trying to hurt me. Now, what's it gonna be? Please don't make this harder for us. Well, if that's what you think, then let's make things a bit more interesting. Oh.
Can you hear that? Sorry. Can you feel that? The vore, the snow, the darkness. I sure is kind of hell through there. But trust me, imagine if one of these swallowed holes spiking down into my stomach, never to be seen again. Things would only get far worse once you're down there. Just imagine a long, slow demise. The walls hiding constantly squeezing. Every breath you take, a constant struggle. Many thought they could escape, but once they swallowed them, there was no coming back.
Tell me, what did you think was going on in their minds during our last moments tucked away in there? I'm sure they had a ton of regrets. Perhaps they thought of how they could avoid such a fate. Maybe they thought about their loved ones. Do you think you could handle such a fate as well? Or would you do what it takes to prevent having to go there? Wouldn't you want to avoid going through what they did? Now, I'm giving you one last chance of a human. Please don't disappoint me. So, will you betray your friends? Or would you like to share the fate of those who were before you? Choose wisely. You need more time to think? Foolish human. You would think one would know if one does not have time on your side. Here I am giving you a chance to save yourself, and now you are just wasting it. I'm really disappointed in you. I thought you'd see the reason, and I thought we could have had a lot of fun together. But if you're not willing to decide, then I suppose I'll have to make a decision for you. That's enough. I've given you more than enough time. No. Too late for second thoughts. You've made your decision. Now live with it. Oh.
That felt so good. Oh man, it's been so long. I almost forgot how nice humans tasted. You know, it's a real shame things had to come to this. I was like real special, and I wish you could just have seen things my way. Could have stood by my side, but at least now my belly will get to savor every last bit of you. Many have experienced the same fate, and many are sure to follow. Scream all you want, but no one, not even your friends, can save you now. It is no possible way to escape either, so I suggest you just sit back, relax, and make the most of this as my belly does its thing. Struggling will prove nothing either. This is your final resting place, and there's nothing you can do about it. May as well just accept your fate like the many others who have done so before you. They've all managed to come to peace with it, and I'm sure you can too. Now, I guess it's time I start searching for those little friends of yours. Actually, you know what? I'd be ever gonna go rest for a bit. I'm not really feeling it right now. And I'm sure they'll come around eventually anyways. And when they do, I bet we'll be ready for them all. Do you think people will be wise enough to stop coming to these forests since everyone who does never returns? Now, time for a little nap.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a lovely day. Mwah!